So, Jai Hind दोस्तों, my name is Salman and just I'm going to make one video about the CGP protest and Sir Sonam Wangchuk. Okay, so just I'm going to say about first CJP protest. This is going on in Delhi, and you know, like many students doing protest there. Yeah, many students like they're beaten up to dead. I have watched many videos, okay, but still many people are doing a criticism about CJP protest that they are doing a fake protest and this is not valid protest. And I was watching some people's story, okay, and what happened there, like what they put in their story that like whatever CJP are doing, they are wrong, and this should not be have happened. So I thought, what kind of mentality you have? What kind of mentality you have? Because they are doing protest, okay, and even Bollywood stars supporting to CJP protest, okay, and okay, like you're saying that who Bollywood star? So today Salman Khan has posted in a Twitter, which is called X dot. Okay, you can go and you can search it like what Salman Khan posted, and right now many content creators they are making their fake videos against CJP protest that they are wrong and this should not be happen. So just I want to ask one thing that fake fucking content creators that you are a bigger than Salman Khan. Just tell me one thing. You are a bigger than Salman Khan? No. Salman Khan is the king of Bollywood. Okay, and he has posted in a Twitter that this is the wrong and it should not be happen with student, but it is happening. So why? And many singers, if you talk about Kaka, Dhanda Newala, and even Raftar, and I like today I was just scrolling the reel, and what I saw in a reel that like Amive Bantai, okay, Amive Bantai is also had come in CJP protest, and now some people will criticize me in video that why are you making this video? What do you they will ask with me like it is not your like it you can say that what do you do means why are you making this video? Okay, because you didn't go there. Yeah, I didn't go there, I say honestly, because I wanted to go, okay, but because of the some, you can say, financial issue, and because of some, you can say, because my exam was also going on, okay, and when this protest happened, that time I think 20, okay, 20, and I think 20 they're going for protest, okay, so my exam was going on that time. So that time I thought that okay, my exam is also going on, and I don't have money as well, so I thought that okay, I will not go, but I will, like, I'm always with CJP protesters, okay, because what they're doing great, okay, and it should be happen, it should be happen, because like what kind of mentality people have right now, I can't imagine. And why I'm making this video, because I feel frustrated, okay, I feel frustrated about that people, okay, and I unable to control myself for making this video, so that's why I'm making this video right now. And like, yeah, many people will criticize me that yeah, you are becoming a content creator, whatever. Yeah, I'm not becoming a content creator, just I'm making this video for the CJP party, and I don't want views, okay, I don't want even like 10 people watch my videos now properly. I will thought that okay, my making video, it is you can say, like completed, like what purpose I had in my mind, it was like it is completed, okay, I will think about that only. So, brother, if you don't know about that this thing now, so first of all, I will request you, go Google, do it whatever you can do, search it, okay? Because what Delhi police doing, they are beating the students, okay, brutally. I will say brutally, they are beating the students, okay. But you will not understand because you are in your home, your father is giving everything to you, Okay, and everything you have gotten with your father, by your father. So what you will say, like just you are enjoying your life and just fuck off, panchod. Okay, so you you will say against protesters because you didn't feel that kind of problem, that's why. Okay, and yesterday what happened, like I post many videos and many videos and many posts in my story. Okay, so what happened there, like some like one person came to my story and they were watching my story and they sent me message like, how can you say about that? So, brother, I didn't say anything about this thing. Okay, and I would say one thing about that. You know about Kunal Kamra has come in CJP protest, and they were saying something about that. You can watch because I don't want to repeat again, because I think that if I will say these things, was definitely someone sue on me. Okay, so uh, I can't suffer this kind of problem, brother. So that's why I'm not pronouncing that sentence what he has did it. Okay, so right now just I'm saying to you, if you want to see, if you want to listen that what Kunal Kamra said that time, so you can go in a YouTube and you can say about that, sorry, you can listen about that. Okay, and if you think that yeah, they're saying wrong and right, I don't know, because it is your opinion and all people have their own perspective, own opinion. Okay, so I can't say anything about that. Okay, so people are saying that yeah, this was wrong. Okay, and that people told me that, what do you know about this thing? I said that, brother, I have searched a lot and I know this thing. That's why I'm saying to you. Okay, there's no my personal intention about that. Okay, but no, like my, you can say religious, my internal religious get hurt. Okay, and what they are doing, that is wrong, because paper is a like this agenda is this topic is this object is only about need. Okay, so why you are putting the dharam? So I would say one thing, brother, who people and who student, they put the dharam. Okay, because I didn't see any kind of video, like they are saying that, I don't think that they are doing this kind of thing. Okay, so I have only one request about that. If you don't know about Sonam Wangchuk, if you don't know about CJP protest, why this is going on, okay, so I will say only one thing, that just search about that, then put story in your Instagram. Okay, and another thing, like like yesterday I was watching stories and I saw that like 10%, like not I would not say 10%, because they will she will be offend. Okay, so that's why I don't want to repeat. So like one girl has you can say one girl has posted there in their story that some people in a protest, they are a student, and rest of the people, they are uneducated and berojgar, unemployed. Okay, so I would say that, what work you do right now? You don't have also any kind of work. Okay, I would ask this question first with you. You don't have any kind of work. Okay, and you are blaming to the students that they are unemployed. Okay, first of all, madam, I would say one thing. There are many people, they leave their job and they are doing protest. And if you talk about job now, so Abhijit Dipke, they has come from America for doing protest. Okay, so if you don't know about that, so just search about it. Okay, and like how can you say about that they're all unemployed? Okay, what do you do right now? Nothing. Okay, I know very well. Okay, and yeah, if you want to criticize me, I don't care about that. I don't care about that. जो करना है कर लेना, उखा लेना, समझा? हाँ, that's it.